welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going into Walmart and we are looking at all the kitchen things. So we're going to be looking at, tabletop decor, pots and pans, dishes, you name it. We're going to be looking at all of the finds that I can find at Walmart so you guys can see there are so many good things and so affordable, you guys. That's why I love Walmart. I know I've said this before. They make all the home decor, all the kitchen supplies, everything that you need. They make it very affordable. So I love going there to shop. So let's get into it. Okay, so we are starting out in this aisle because it is all about meal prep, and I love a good New Year fresh me, like I'm gonna do better this year. And here we are in March, but you know what? It's never too late to jump on this bandwagon. This set right here is just under $38, but you can see it comes with 5 containers, and I love this brand because this particular set has that grippy so they don't slide out of your hands. Now, if you're looking for a little bit more budget friendly option, this one's just under $30, and it's a 4-piece. It does have multiple colored lids, and this one is actually sectioned out, as you can see right here on the top, so it keeps everything separate. The other one is a full-on dish container, no separation. They did have some other options, like this is a 2-piece for $16.97, also the ELO brand, and it is a smaller dish but more of that round snap-on lid. Another really great thing is these are all glass containers, and as you guys know, I will link all of these down below so you can shop them, but these are really great affordable prices. And if you're looking for a really good motivational hydro jug, this is the place to go. They had multiple different colors. These were under $6, you guys, so you should definitely snag them. They even had these little water cups with the handles with the screw-on lids and came with a straw. Again, super, super affordable. And then as you can see, they had this little option in purple. So they had purple, blue, black, and pink, I believe. So as you can see, just so many different options, but I did love the price point at $5.47 for those. And this pink one down here was really, really pretty as well. And I did like this one a lot because it had like the bubbles inside the plastic. But again, I'm trying to drink more water this year, so I think these are great options. Now, this Blend Boss Ninja is next level. What I do love about this is it is a to-go cup, ready to go. It does all of your smoothies, blends your protein shakes, whatever it is you need, it will blend it. But I do love how it's like the upside down cup, so you just take that lid off and then you screw on your new lid and you are all set to go. So this is like a grab and go travel tumbler, and the lid is leak proof, and it does have the chug spout, which is also nice. Like I said, in store they're a little bit more expensive, but there's a rollback for $98 online. Now we're getting into the cookware, which I am so excited to show you guys. Now, this is the Pioneer brand. As you can see, this is a nice little stovetop griddle, so you can do pancakes, sausage, and really just get rid of that griddle and put this right on the stove, which is super nice. It's going to definitely cut down on space and also save you some time with cleaning. And that actually is super affordable. Now, this one is really cool. This actually goes on your grill, so it's called a cowboy grill pan. It's cast iron, so you can just throw it on there and cook all the things that you don't want to fall through. Also, those are really nice because you don't get any like grill brush marks. You can take this in, clean it. And then of course, this next item is a cast iron Dutch oven. This one is super nice. It's a 5-quart and it is $54.94, as you can see here. Also made by that Pioneer brand, Pioneer Woman brand, and it is truly fantastic. Now this tea kettle is next level. I am all about bringing in this silver look. I think it looks clean and just has a beautiful look to it. This one is only $24.97. It is one of Walmart's best sellers, so you're going to want to snag it. This one is also made by Pioneer Woman. It is a 12-inch ceramic nonstick fry pan, and I love this denim blue color. It is absolutely gorgeous. And it's only $29.94, so at a great affordable price. This next Pioneer Woman frying pan is only $17.94 and has this gorgeous embossed look along the edge, which I really love, and is also in this denim blue. But under 20 bucks, you cannot beat it. They also had the smaller version for $13.94, and it also came with a spatula. Super duper cute. If you're looking to upgrade some of your kitchen pans, This is definitely a beautiful color to bring in. Now, if you're looking for a set that's already been put together and has all the pieces to it, this 15-piece set was really, really nice. You can get it for under $140. And again, it comes with 15 pieces. It's non-stick. It has that ceramic coating and it's gorgeous. It actually comes with a couple of cooking utensils and a rest plate for your spoon. But basically all that you would need to have in your kitchen. And they even had different options with different colors. This one was $99. It was a 17-piece set, but a little bit different. As you can see, this one has a baking sheet with it, and it did have some pots and pans, but just a little bit different than what you saw before. And again, that $99 price point, which was super affordable. And then of course they brought in this black with the white speckled as well, and this one was $129. And I love this rollback item for $48.88. This is a 6-quart cast aluminum pan. This is super deep. So guys, if you're cooking like smothered items, these are like great pans for that. And I cook for a massive family, so this is probably my favorite size pan ever. It's nice and deep. I can fit lots in it. And now we are getting into the catering serving. So I have an open house coming up this year, so I just was like in awe. We're also planning a bridal shower, and I'm just like, all of these pieces would be great for that, or even hosting a party here at our house. But as you can see, very affordable. The Better Homes and Gardens serving trays are stunning. I love the wood mixed with the white. It's very elegant and very classy. They also brought in these bottom pieces right here, which this one is a chip and dip bowl. So you can see it's got that larger bowl for the chips and then the round bowl for your dip. And that is so super cute for $18.87 for your party that you want to serve. Now this condiment tray was everything. So if you guys are hosting maybe like a taco bar or even like a hamburger, you can do relish, tomatoes, all the different things. And again, under $19, you can't beat it. And it is super, super cute. Now this was really nifty because this is one of those oven to table serving dishes where when you're done, you can keep it covered, or you can use the bottom as like a pot holder. So it's not like heating on your table or all of that. And again, under $26. And this is probably my favorite because this is a turntable, you guys. I'm going to show you all these different compartments. So like if you're serving quesadillas, like this picture here, you can put all your condiments in each little square, and it's like a little lazy Susan you could put in the middle of the table so everyone can kind of dish out throughout the meal anything that they would like to have. So if you host your family over, or if you have parties or something coming up, definitely grab that. Now this butter container was super cute, but I can't imagine storing that much butter. It was really large. So I'm going to pass on this item, but I still think it's a really pretty aesthetic butter container. Now these galvanized tubs were fantastic. These are also really great for hosting for parties. This one was under $18, but you can see very deep, that round size. So if you wanted to hold like wine bottles or that type of bottle would be great. These are great for cans because it's more of that shallow dish, but you can put some ice at the bottom and just stick cans on top. And then of course this one is for more of that larger party where you're going to put and hold a lot in there. But still, guys, $24.95, unbelievable. Now we're getting into more Pioneer Woman dishes. I had to show you guys these because they are absolutely stunning and elegant. These are great serving dishes as well, especially if you have like a little bit of, a couple of different things and you're serving a small party. And then this, oh my goodness, is stunning. I've showed this in my reels before, but I had to show you guys again. And these cups are next level. You'll have to let me know in the comments below, what color do you prefer, the green or the blue? I think I'm leaning towards the blue. I do love the green as well, but the blue has a special place in my heart. But you can see this floral pattern throughout. This Pioneer Woman brand is all over Walmart right now, and she is coming out with so many fantastic things. These little bowls right here are just gorgeous. It does remind me of a set that my parents had when I was younger, but still those great affordable prices. And then of course they had plates to match, so they had the saucers as well as the larger plates. The saucers were $6.18, and then the plates were $6.78. So not much difference there, but again, great prices. This is my favorite silverware set for all of Walmart. It is made by Better Homes and Garden. It's a 20-piece gold stainless steel set. It's got your flatware, and as you can see, it has those ridges throughout the handle. Very, very stunning. These tablecloths were 60 by 84 and under $25. Very pretty. I love it. It's like more of that beigey color with the white accents sewn in. This was a very large one, I think. This would actually fit our table, which many things don't fit our table because it is so large. And then these serving trays, I've actually bought these for my in-laws last Christmas. They are so gorgeous, and I think they make really, really great gifts. And as well as like if you have somebody in your family that's having an upcoming surgery or something like this, they're only $29, you guys. So definitely snag some of those for anything that happens in the future or even just as gifts. Now this little serving tray was stunning. As you can see, the wood grooves throughout this one. It's just a beautiful piece. And then these little bowls right here, I just envision being in the centerpiece of a table. You can put so many different things. For Easter, you can, fill it with eggs, and again, under that $30 mark, but you can literally put so many different things in there, florals, you name it. And then this bowl is just a great salad bowl, to be honest with you. And I've seen these in several different places, but still a beautiful piece to put with it. Now these drink dispensers I did really love. I will give the caveat, the whole rope thing, I don't care. It's not really functional for me because if anything gets on it, it's really hard to clean. However, I do like the canister itself. And then this line is stunning. Like, I love this gold rim. It's very elegant, very simple, but very, very tasteful. Actually made by Time and Table, and these are only $6.67. So if you're hosting a party in the future, these are next level, and these pictures are so elegant. Of course, very, very glass. So I just feel like it's just beautiful. It makes for a great tablescape if you're having company over, and the pictures are under $12. So this is like that luxury look for less. Now these are gorgeous. I'm talking gorgeous bourbon glasses. They also have that gold rim and are only $6.28. So you'll want to grab some of these as well. Now these Bittleby mugs and tumblers stopped me in my tracks. I could not pass these up. They come with straws and come with silicone boots for easy grip. And they're under $20, you guys. So this one is $17.97, but this larger one is just under $20. But just look at all the different patterns of each one of these. This one is my absolute favorite for spring. I loved both of these with the purple. And then of course you had the polka dots and the checker print as well. And then they had a few other options in case you were wanting something a little bit different, but that green with the bright colors is super stunning, as well as this blue, pink, and tan. So I actually found some more Pioneer women sets. So this is a rectangular baker with the lid, and this is $13.84, and it's a 7 by 11. So nice size. And then of course they also had a 9 by 13. This is much larger, obviously, and it's just over that 4-quart for $19.97. Both have those clear lid tops, which are super nice for keeping the heat trapped in, but then also you can take them off for display at the table. Now this Pioneer Woman aluminum sheet pan set has a wire rack with a silicone baking mat. So it's 3 pieces for $23.97. Stunning price. I mean, this would make actually a great housewarming gift. If you know somebody who's getting married or who just bought a house, this would be a fantastic gift for under $25. They also had this knife set for under $16. It had 4 different knives, and I will tell you, the handles had such great grip. I was really impressed by that. They also had another set where it included all of the knives that you would need, and this is more of that countertop display set. Now it's a little bit higher in price point, so it is at $71.97, but it includes all the cutlery pieces that you would need for your kitchen. They had several different colors, as you can see, so the white, the black, and even the nice natural wood looking one, so you can kind of see that, which actually is kind of my favorite. I just loved, you could actually see the wood grain in these, and it was just a stunning piece. While we're talking about wood grain, I wanted to show you some of my favorite organizational pieces, and of course they are all made by Better Home and Garden, so that means they are super affordable. This double tray right here was $12.94, and then this little turntable, so it's kind of like a little Lazy Susan, but a double tier. Was super nice for like spices, or you could even have it like next to your coffee and have different things sitting on that for like syrups and dry creamers or whatever. This would make great for like a little party. And then of course your cutlery trays. So this one right here is nice. I have this one, so it expands. And then that is super nice because it fits basically any drawer that you need. So it kind of expands to whatever size. And it's under $18. And then this one is nice. So, and then these actually are separators. So if you have a drawer space that's extra large and you have like large pieces, but you still want some dividers, those are really great dividers to get. They have those little rubber end pieces to really keep it in place. And then these are, I say these are for junk drawers. So these are drawer organizers. You can kind of throw them in, and that's under $9. And then also these are also for junk drawers, I would say. So drawer organizing for like your desk in your office, or even at home, or if you have a drawer that has like cords or just random items, these are great trays for that for $26.97. I was really excited to see that they had Pioneer Woman pot holders and hand towels. These were really pretty because they go with those green dishes that we saw earlier, and those are $12.67. They also had some really bright floral pieces from Pioneer Woman, so this one would actually go with the green, but it's more of that springtime feel. So she had some seasonal pieces that were really pretty. And then you could see here there was some more hand towels, so lots of different colors. So if you had the blue, you could also incorporate that into the blue dishes. But they had the purple, the tan. There was just so many options. And of course, under $15 for that 4-pack there. And then these are some more spring pieces, which I really loved, but you could incorporate with the blue. And then same for these. These little pot holders right here were super nice. They had like the little rubber inside so it grips, and those were $11.48 for 2 of them, which I thought was a fantastic deal. She also brought in some napkin sets. So these are great and super fun for like picnic style. And then this table drapery, which I thought was really stunning. And again, goes with those green dishes that we saw earlier for $14.98. And then the napkins, you know, those were only $10.62. And then this was a Pioneer Woman tablecloth. So you can see it had some embroidery with it, but they also brought in these picnic style. So guys, think 4th of July. Buy ahead, buy these ahead for your parties. They are super duper cute. And then of course this springtime runner was adorable as well and brought in some bright colored pieces. I hope you enjoyed shopping the new Pioneer Woman collection with me. There's so many pieces, including this pressure cooker. It just goes on and on how many stunning pieces she brought in to the Walmart collection, and I am here for it. Like always, everything's linked below. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps me to make more future videos. And if you really enjoyed videos like this or enjoy watching, be sure to subscribe.